x equals np dot linspace 0 4 times pi 100. Fig ax equals plot subplots fig size 8.5. Line 1 equals ax plot label sine of x color blue. Line 2 equals ax plot label cosine of x color orange. Ax set x limits 0 4 times pi. Ax set I limits negative 1.5. Ax legend. Def animate I plot data x less I. Line 2 set data x less I. Return line 1, line 2. Annie is FuncAnimation, fig animate, frames 20, blit true. Annie.save, sine cos animation.mp4, writer ffmpeg writer fps 30. Plot show. What it shows. This animation displays two fundamental trigonometric functions, sine of x and cosine of x, progressively being drawn from x equals 0 to x equals 4 pi. Key visualization features. Blue line represents sine of x. Orange line represents cosine of x. The animation unfolds point by point, showing how each function grows with increasing x. Plot settings. X-axis spans from 0 to 4 pi 4 pi. Y-axis spans from negative 1.5 to 1.5, fully capturing the oscillations of both sine and cosine waves. A legend helps distinguish between the two functions. Technical details. FuncAnimation is used to incrementally reveal data frame by frame. Each frame extends the plotted data for both lines by one more x value. The animation runs smoothly at 30 frames per second and is saved as a video. Sine cos animation.mp4. Use cases demonstrating the relationship and phase shift between sine of x and cosine of x, teaching basic wave functions or harmonic motion, creating educational animations for math or physics content. Let me know if you'd like to. Add grid lines, titles, or labels. Use different colors, line styles, or background. Turn this into a GIF for web use. Add a third function like sine of x times x negative 0.1x.